How to track your filed forms. One of the benefits of e-filing is the ability to track your filed forms and view their current status online. This short video shows you how to do that on the e-file website. Log into your account and go to the Filed Forms page. This page has information on every filing process through your account for the past 4 years. Just use the drop-down option to select the year you want to view. The data will refresh, showing you the status of the forms and the date they were mailed, if they were processed as e-file, print, and mail. Here you can also find a correction form for select forms. Just click the File Correction link. Corrections can only be filed once the IRS or SSA has accepted the original filing. Lastly, the Filed Forms page allows you to print forms. Check the box for the forms you wish to print, then click the Print Selected button for the copy options. Remember, the printing feature allows you to print previous year's forms, making it easy for you to replace recipient copies quickly and easily.